Alright, guys, I'll be right back. Y'all tell me if it closes above. Let me know. Let me know if it closes above this point right here. Okay. Back. Yell. Yell as loud as you can for me. Did we do it? Did we do it? Did we do it? Not quite. There it is. Oh, it is. Don't worry, guys. I will break this down in a second. It was just kind of a weird morning. Broke structure on the 1 minute, still in this gap. I want it to be invalidated. If we can invalidate on the 2 minute, it'll probably happen on the 1 minute. Structure on the 5 minutes all the way up here. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this is gonna be the low of the day. I kind of want to just get in right now. I want us to go with like 42. Give me the 42.
Order filled.
Okay, perfect. I'm in. And we'll target. Mm, 24, 6, 10. Jeez. Where are we in at? 41.75. I do partials right here. Okay. Alright, guys, tell the market to pump.
Order filled. What's happening, guys? We got fucking stopped out. Damn it. Alright. Well, I'm not walking away. Porque still very long bias. Look, we got stopped out just for the move to begin. Is that what's happening right now? That would be some horse shit. Let me tell you.
what is 20 of that? I'm not even sure. Oh, look at that. Finally. Inverse value gap right here. So I could get in now. I could get back in, but after that loss, I want to wait for a better setup. Maybe we retrace into this gap. That would be my best entry. What is this? 542. If we can retrace here. But this is looking quite pretty. Guys, what the heck? I told you all to pump the market. What happened?
Order filled.
Okay, we're back in. We got this little gap right here. Now we wait. This was what I should have waited for. But I got a little excited. This should have been my one entry of today. So now that we're in a trade and we can just wait, I can talk to y'all about what happened this morning. Really, is that better? Lovely. So let's go back to our chart. Full screen that, John. I woke up this morning, literally right at market open. I was like, oh shit. So I pulled up the chart real quick. Tell me what is this? What is this? Who did that? This is insane. We're in all-time highs and we completely gapped 200 damn points. Like what? Who did that? Who did that? Who did that right here?
I was like, wow, I have no idea what to do. But then I kind of just sat back. We didn't have too much movement over Asia and London. However, I'm thinking longs because of an AMD from London. So we made our range during London. We accumulated in this range during London. Or we made our range during London, pre-market, New York. We accumulated in that range. Took out these lows right before market open. A little bit of manipulation here. I was expecting more manipulation down here to these Asia lows. And we can long John probably all the way up to these London highs. What is that, 646? We'll just go like, I think I had mine at 630 already. No, this would be 630. I think London highs are going to get taken out. So I'm going to keep them just below that because that's still a lot. So it'd be very, very beautiful. So that's what happened. Even with news, we had this was our 9 o'clock news candle. Which is also why I wasn't in a rush to start recording. I knew news was coming out at 9. We got a doji. Nothing too crazy happened there. Buys longs. I took that first entry a little early. A little preemptive, didn't wait for any confluences. I was just like, oh, you know what? I think. Don't do that, guys. Don't do that. It's very bad. We have our inverse fair value gap. That was our entry. Beautiful. If we can close above this, I would feel very good. That'd be the 79% extension on the 5 minute. Then I'd like to see an inversion of these gaps. And I'd feel very good. Very good I'd feel. Created another gap here on the 1 minute. Really supporting me here. So now we just wait. Happy Terrific Tuesday. I've got to take a shit. I'm not going to lie. But yeah, longs is definitely the play today, which is kind of crazy to say because of we've cleared all-time highs by so much. This was all-time highs last week. We are now up 500 points from that. It's crazy. Right, we're back at our gap. Hopefully we can get a cute little reaction there. Yes, like that. It was like this, right? We're definitely, like, I can say with 100%. Okay, I can't say that, but I would like to say that. These highs right here should be very attractive for price. They definitely want to get grabbed. I just hope they get grabbed during this trade that I'm in and not later. And then we've got these highs stacked up. And then we've got these highs stacked up. And then we've got a little bit of shoulders right here. These are all-time highs. I might want to take partials here. Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and mark those. Looks like we may have invalidated this gap. Oh, I don't like that. Broke structure here on the 5-minute. This is structure on our 1 minute, which was our entry into the 2-minute gap. Right here, that we're kind of playing around in. It's actually still valid. But I don't like this. So we shall see. Oh my gosh, I'm so cold. I'm so cold. This doji right here that took us out was more volatile than our news candle. Like, this was just mean. This was a mean thing to do. We've also created a gap here. See that? I don't like. I didn't trade yesterday. Yesterday was actually pretty short. The move yesterday kind of started pre-market, so we missed it. However, that's kind of why I'm a little bit hungry today. Maybe I shouldn't have taken this second trade, but no regrets, right? I would really like for us to close above here. I came very close to it and then didn't. What a name, man. It went from looking very pretty to looking, oh, I don't know how I like you right now. Be nice to me, NASDAQ. Really, the last thing that I have, and like, I don't want to speak too soon, is that we're holding structure. On the 5 minute, the 2 minute, hell, even on the 1 minute, we're holding structure. But like I said, I don't want to speak too soon. I'm so excited. And then, if we look at our Max 7, right? Got NVIDIA. This shit's pumping. Apple. This shit's pumping. Retracing off a fair value gap. Microsoft, same thing. Google, inversing a gap right here. Ooh, I want to see that close. Ooh. Inverse gap right there on Google, Tesla, pumping, Amazon, pumping, about to tap into this gap, hopefully get a retracement from there. Everything's pushing me to longs. So, what does that mean? You've got to take the position without fear. You can't be scared. Because, just like a wild animal, the NASDAQ, you can smell fear. You can sense it, and it will take advantage. Sometimes you just gotta grab NASDAQ by the nuts. Make it pump. I move the market. Nah, I'm playing. Don't think like that, actually. Well, this does that. Today's a very big day. I've waited for many, many years. I don't know if you're aware, but Skate 4 comes out today. Skate 4 early access launches today. I don't even know. Bruh. Ignore this search. I'm pretty sure I'm CDT. Yeah. Okay. Oh, they didn't even post that one. So what is 10 a.m.? 10 a.m. PDT. 12, bruh. No one still new. That gives me time to finish this trade and hopefully it'll work out. Oh my goodness. What the fuck is that? What the hell? We look pretty for a few minutes and then like, what the fuck is this? Oh. Could be very bad if we have this. Could this be the end? Could this be the end, chat? Oh my gosh, why am I so freaking cold? Literally tweezing. Tweezing off my huevos. Can we not create a gap right here, please? Created one on the 1 minute. Who did that? Who did that? See, now we got this 2 minute gap.
I don't like. I don't like it. Still not thinking it's shorts. Like there's no way. There's no way we're shorting today. See this shit? Where's our VWAP at? Ooh, bitch, all the way up here. This is my fear zone. I want us to get rid of our fear zone. And honestly, if we could, I could de-risk, which would be great. But that's a big what if. Such is the way of trading. Oh, yes. You know what I didn't do? Just mark out this chart. Go ahead and do that real quick. Actually, hang on. I was waiting for a candle close over here. Oh no, we're good. It's quite. Do
Am I tripping? Nah, I ain't twipping. You twipping. 610. Trap partials there. Yep. Okay, cool. Hey, look. Hey, look. Hey, look. Come on, let's invalidate. It's my laptop app. Cool. Okay. Hey, look. Opportunity for an IFVG. Or to just use it to continue down. You know, one or the other. What does VWAP stand for? Volume weighted average price. Oh, interesting. So typically for my trades, what I'm looking for is like I'm trying to catch an hour candle, right? Damn, it's almost 10. We've got a doji right here. Pretty strong confluence for a reversal. And then I'm looking for a big ass blue candle over the course of the next hour, which is, I mean, hopefully it doesn't take an hour. You know, that's the hope. That would be amazing if we didn't take an entire hour. I don't think we will. I think once the move starts, it should happen pretty fast. I mean, I hope. But hope is a dangerous way to go when it comes to trading. Still playing around at this gap. Still don't like. Still opportunity to create an IFEG because of where we're at with price. What we need is a blue candle followed by no retracement on the next blue candle, and then I can de-risk. Porque this gap seems to be holding a little bit too nicely. Little bit too nicely it is. Here we go. Look at us breaking through. Now let's hold it. Come on. Deep, deep. Kudos to you if you know where that's from. And you rules. Okay. Halfway there. Actually, yeah, halfway there. I really want this candle to hold blue. It would make me very, very happy. Very happy indeed it would. I don't even need it to push that much higher. I just need it to hold where it's at. Or at least hold blue. So we shall see. One more minute. Can we do it? Oh, that stinks. Very stinky indeed. Now we have to wait for 2 more candles to even see that same confluence. Or like have a chance to see that same confluence. But we did invalidate that gap, so that's cool. Maybe after that we can hold structure and create a gap. Maybe. Just maybe. This is no longer a fear zone. It's just a zone.
We got this gap supporting us. That's very nice. But we got this gap fighting us. Whoa. What are all these rainbows, man? Ignore what I'm doing. I'm just playing around. Huh. Ouch. Here it comes.
And we lost again. I still think we're longs. I'm still so confident in longs today. We just couldn't find the entry. That sucks. We'll have to try again tomorrow. We are back at where we started with the account. So that's cool. Today was our biggest losing day. I did take 2 trades. I can't really complain about them because, well, okay, that first one I can complain about. I probably shouldn't have taken that first one. I just got a little excited. The second one, I can't complain about at all. That was a really good execution. It just didn't work, and that's okay. We'll be back tomorrow. We got FOMC news in the afternoon, which we won't even be in the market for. Tomorrow? Actually, I don't know. Maybe we'll be looking at it. I don't know. We'll see how the morning goes, and then we might come back and see what's going on around 1. Maybe even just to watch it. But market open should be pretty nice tomorrow. And so we'll be here for that. Hefty L today, boys. 2 losses. It's okay. It's okay. It's all about longevity. I will see you filthy animals tomorrow.